Watch this 4-minute video and I'll show you how to maintain your outboard motor for the season. Both my outboards are small. That's 4 horsepower and 10 horses. And they're also 4-stroke. So I have to change the oil to save our planet. If you're still running 2-stroke, just watch the first 2 bits about gear oil and fuel additives. The casing that turns the propeller. It sits below the water line, and so it's prone to have water seeping in. Keep an eye on it and change the gear oil at least once a year, and even more often if your motor gets year-round use or you leave it in the water all the time. Now, here's what you'll need. You'll need a long slot screwdriver, a container to hold the old oil, a rag or paper towel, and gear oil for this. Darn those World War II bombers. You should follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the viscosity or thickness of the gear oil. With the motor in a vertical position, undo the bottommost screw. Be careful to keep both the machine screws and the washers, as you will need them later. Then undo the top screw. Once you've done that, the old gear oil will start to pour out into your container. Let it take its time until it's all gone. The old oil is cloudy if there's water getting in, and that will mean a repair will be needed. Check the gaskets. They look like washers, and replace them if they are worn or compressed. Now you're ready for the replacement gear oil. Stick the top of the gear oil container into the bottom, yes, the bottom hole, and squeeze. The oil will flow in and up, and once the gear case cavity is full, it will start to flow out the top hole, and that's when you screw in the top hole with the gasket. Now, once you've done that, replace the bottom bolt and tighten both with the screwdriver. Okay, so now you're done. Now, if you have a 2-stroke, I have to tell you, these motors all have carburetors, and the jets can get clogged if you're using modern gasoline with ethanol. I'm talking about both 2- and 4-stroke engines. To avoid repairs and worse, engine failure while you're at sea, always add one of these additives. Some petroleum companies claim that their products are made without ethanol. Treat that information with some degree of skepticism. Also, some marinas claim to only sell products without ethanol. I'll leave it to you to decide the veracity of that. Okay, us guys with 4-stroke motors also have to change the oil just like in our cars. The drain hole is down somewhere below the motor. Be careful not to let the old oil drip into the water. If you're changing oil while you're in the water, I highly recommend pumping it through the top oil filling hole. My 4 horsepower takes about 400 milliliters of oil. The 10 horsepower, less than 900 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters is a liter. Or just slightly more than a U.S. quart. Don't overfill. Clean up any spills with dish detergent. So that's it. Keep in mind that to lengthen the life of any motor, Don't over rev, and change the oil frequently. Once the run-in period is over, once every 100 hours, it's fine. It's generally believed synthetic oil will reduce engine wear, and since you're only buying a liter at a time, it's not a huge expense. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments below. Please give us thumbs up and subscribe. We usually upload about a video a month or so. I'm Alan Stokel. Supporting these videos and watching the commercials helps me continue my boating lifestyle after my retirement.